Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money as an Amazon affiliate without a website. Now you're just going to need one tool, one simple tool, and it's a small investment of $47, and it's a one-time investment. Now obviously you could get the pro version. The pro version is a monthly fee of I think it's $47 a month for the monthly, but that's like if you want to take things to the next level. You don't have to get it. You can just simply start off with the basic. I'm personally using the basic, and it's just an amazing software that I highly recommend, and I wouldn't be promoting it if I don't believe in it and I don't love it so much, because it is literally transformed my marketing, and I'm going to explain to you what it is. So anyone can get signed up as an Amazon affiliate. Now personally, I don't personally really like Amazon affiliate marketing because the commissions are so low. However, it's so easy to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing, and completely for free, and I'm going to show you how. So basically the two tools that we're going to be using, well, the one tool, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is sign up for an affiliate Amazon account. Sign up for an affiliate Amazon account. Once you get the affiliate account, then you can start promoting whatever you want. Whatever, you can literally pick whatever. And basically how they pay you is Amazon take a certain fee from every sale that whoever basically promotes for whoever sorry, my words are just not coming out right now today. I don't know what's wrong with me, but basically anyone that basically sells on Amazon, they take a small fee. So the profit that they take, they then pay you a percentage of that profit. So their profits are very small on each item, but obviously they're selling millions of items, so they're making lots of money. But you need to be selling high amounts of products to be making a substantial income online with as an Amazon affiliate. Now sometimes some products can be higher commissions depending on the product, depending on the sale, but you're looking at about a 4% with Amazon, and apparently they're even now going lower than 4%. So that's the real negative about selling as an Amazon affiliate. I way prefer higher commissions, like $100, $200, $500 commissions, because you just make one sale for like $500. But with Amazon, you have to make like lots of these small little tiny sales just to accumulate like a couple of $100 or a couple of £100. But now the positive about Amazon affiliates is that it's very easy to promote the products. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So basically we're going to be using YouTube. Now YouTube has billions and billions of searches. So YouTube has billions of searches a month. It is like the second Google. Google owns YouTube. It's like its baby brother, like a lot of people like to call it. So YouTube gets a lot of views, and you can literally, if you know how to use YouTube, you can literally start making sales on YouTube. Now let me just tell you a bit about my story. Several years ago, like I got started, I've been online in this internet marketing, affiliate marketing business for a while, and I tell you, in the beginning I struggled, and I still kind of struggle to today, and only like it's just been maybe a year or so that things are actually really I'm starting to see results. Now it doesn't have to be like that for you. You can literally just, it's not like everyone's going to struggle online like I did, and some people, like, they're newbies and they're making a killing online. So it all depends on you. Some people struggle longer than others. But the point that I'm trying to make is that when I first got started online, I struggled big time because I didn't want to spend any money. I didn't want to spend any money on softwares. I didn't want to spend any money on, and now I wish I did. I wish I found this software like way back when I first got started. I wish I did, because it would have transformed everything for me. I wouldn't have struggled so much. But basically, before in the past, I thought to myself, oh, I don't need software. I'm just going to find how to rank on YouTube my videos so that people watch my videos and get traffic. And then what I did is I started cranking out videos every day. Like, I would crank out so many videos, but no one was frigging watching them. Like, do you know what the thing is that you don't have to have a lot of views, but you just have to have views. Like, you just have to have people watching you. It can even be 50 views a month, okay? But the main thing is that you're ranking for your keyword and you're getting traffic, some kind of traffic, okay? Like I said, you don't need a lot of views to make a full-time income on YouTube, but you just need some views, as in like when people search for a certain term or a certain keyword, your video's up there and people can see it, okay? Might not be a lot of people searching for that term, searching for that keyword, but as long as people are searching for it, people are going to be searching for it, okay? Even if it's 10 people and your video is like number 1, number 2, they're going to click on it because obviously yours is right at the top, okay? It's a no-brainer. So now the problem that I was doing is I was trying to learn SEO, I was trying to learn how to rank, I was trying to learn all of these things, but actually there's softwares in place that make it so much easier for you to rank. There's softwares in place, tools that you can use that would just speed things up for you, not just with YouTube marketing, but there's softwares in every business. And if you're not using and leveraging tools and softwares for internet marketing or affiliate marketing, it's going to be really hard. Your journey is going to be really hard. So just recently I purchased a software. Now if you want more information on that software, I'm going to explain to you what it is. Click the link. I've got the link in the description below, but before clicking the link I need to explain to you exactly what it does, okay? So this software is so freaking awesome, okay? I started using it literally a day ago, okay? And my YouTube channel had hardly any views, okay? And now I've started cranking out these videos because I've noticed every single video that I do now, I can literally get it ranked on the first page for my keyword in seconds, like literally in seconds, okay? And it's not a keyword that has millions of views. It's not a keyword that everyone's searching for and I'm going to get millions of subscribers in days. No. And to be quite frank, like I said, you don't need that. You just need to find low-hanging fruit, okay? Now, what do I mean by low-hanging fruit? Low-hanging fruit is something that is like, it's easy. It's a keyword that's very easy to rank for. May not get a lot of searches a month, but the searches that you do get are high quality, super targeted, okay? So where does this go? How does this where does Amazon affiliate marketing come into this, okay? Because all of your keywords on Amazon are going to be product keywords, okay? So all of the people that are searching for those terms are ready to buy, okay? You are not searching for an Amazon, for a product name if you're not willing to buy. You're probably looking for more information on it before you buy it, or you're literally looking to buy it. Like you're searching the term to buy it, okay? And how can you use YouTube videos to then market all of these Amazon products and then to make sales, okay? It's very easy. So basically, this software, without the software, it's going to be hard for you to rank. With the software, you can get your videos ranked up fast. Not just that, it has a keyword tool that you can use, and it basically shows you all the keywords that are recommended to use for it to be super easy to rank for. Not just super easy to rank for, but that actually do get like searches, okay? people are searching for. Now, like I said, it's not like a tool where it's going to get you millions of searches a month. It's just going to get you like maybe a couple of hundred searches a month, but that couple of hundred will make you bank. It will make you money. Why? Because they're laser, super targeted, focused. Okay, if I'm searching for a specific model of trainers, okay, let's say Nike Air trainers, okay, and you can even get more specific than Nike Air because there's different models of Nike Air, okay, but let's just say Nike Air trainers, okay. Now if my video gets on number one for Nike Air trainers, okay, and then I've got a description. So basically what you do is you create these videos. You find first you do your product research, okay, so you decide what product do I want to sell on Amazon, okay. Once you find that product, then you want to find a description. What is the description of that product? Find more information about that product. Then what you do is you do a review on it. So you could, it's best, if you don't have the product in front of you, then it wouldn't be a good idea to get on camera like I'm doing and then just speak about the product if you haven't got it there, okay? But if you don't have it there, there's still a way about it. What you could do is you can do like just recording your voice with like an online video presentation. Now there's also software to do that. Softwares like Vidnami literally creates videos for you in seconds. All you do is you can literally copy and paste the descriptions that you've found on that product and literally put it or change the words around. You don't want to like get caught for bloody infringement, or not infringement but copyright and all of that crap. So you want to make it into your own words a bit, change the words a bit. But literally it's copy and paste, guys. You copy and you paste it, change the words a bit, and then what you can do is basically what the software does, this is another software. This is for creating videos, okay? So what Vidnami does is it then creates these videos in minutes. You just put your script and it puts the images, it puts the video clips, like small video clips, and the voice, okay? So you can actually add the voice. So like they're reading, it's like this robot kind of human/robot voice is reading the script for you on that video. And you've basically put together a professional video in minutes, okay? And then what you do is you go to Vidly, okay? Now, Vidly is the video ranking tool that I just mentioned. And you basically, what it does is it finds the keywords. Now, I would personally do the keyword research first and all of that first, and then go to creating the video, because you want to know which keyword you're ranking for first, okay? So that you can make your video about that. Once you've done that, it generates you